Yo, what's good, YouTube? It is Digital Hustler back with another video, man. And look, I got a breakdown for y'all today on GBP-CAD. Basically, I was up around like $160 with GA and G. Was it GBP It was another AUD CHF. So I was up on GBP AUD and AUD CHF. I believe I can see that in the last video that I posted. However, them two trades did go hit stop loss, but I called GBP-CAD on Thursday, caught another entry on Friday morning, and yeah, we took that trade from $68 to 420. From $68 to 420, I can show y'all the trade right here. Let me show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Custom. Let's do 13 done. So, hold on. Focus. I should be able to see it, but it's not focused. But as y'all can see, both trades hit TP. Good old $420 that I made. But yeah, man, today I will be breaking down the trade for y'all. So those that do want to get into trading or already trade themselves can get, a little bit more better and refine their entries, and so on and so forth. But let's go over here, and this is pretty much the trade right here. As y'all can see, did my top-down analysis. Market shot up, shot down, shot up again. Disrespected this high, but respected this one. So as it started trending down, I could have caught me another entry right here, but I didn't get in, and I caught my second entry over here. First one was somewhere around this area, and yeah, man, it kept on going. So caught a 1 to 8 on both. Even though my profit said I got a 1 to 6, I didn't get a 1 to 8, because if we do, let's come over here to the calculator real quick. Let's do this right here. So yeah, if we do 420 divided by 68, that is 6. So 1 to 6. So I'm still happy that I got a 1 to 6. I'm not tripping that I didn't catch the 1 to 7, which was probably like around this area. 1 to 8 could have probably been around here. But like I said, man, we made some profit. That definitely paid me out for the whole week. I actually made $400. Well, I made $600 this week from work, and then I made $420 from trading this week. So around $1,000, excluding everything else that I do, which is like, excuse me, which is my YouTube channel and my clothing brand. So pretty good week, man. I cannot complain at all. You know what I'm saying? I just paid off my credit cards, paid my phone bill today. Well, both my credit cards, paid my phone bill. Car note is coming up in a couple days, but all of that is already taken care of. Luckily, like I said, man, these two trades really got the boy right. But we finna go ahead and do the top-down analysis. Y'all know how I get. I'm finna go to a different GBP-CAD. Why that look different though? Nah, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. All right, so we're gonna remove all the drawings. We're gonna go to the monthly time frame, and I'm basically gonna show y'all what I was thinking when I took this trade. So with that being said, let's do this. Shoot down, shoot up, shoot down again. So we can see on the monthly time frame, we have a downtrend on the monthly. Right? So on the monthly time frame, because apparently I'm speaking a different language or something. On the monthly time frame, we're on the downtrend. On a weekly, it was a little bit choppy on a weekly. Kind of was confused as to what was going on at first, but it's not as important as the daily and the 4 hour. Alright, so boom, this is another high right here. This high is the high that took the last one out, the retracement. shoot up again, retracement, didn't create the next high, instead shot down and broke some lows. So once again, we're on a downtrend. All right, weekly we're on a downtrend as well. Daily downtrend. I don't even know what's going on here. It started like fluctuating up, but at the same time, it's like not much movement. Like it resisted from going up in a sense. So boom, shot down. All right, so go down to the 4 hour, and let me go ahead and yeah, okay, boom. So let me go ahead and replay this to where I was looking at the market at. I think it was like somewhere around here. I remember because I was on the phone with somebody now, like, and then this person is trading with me right now, and I was like, I think we got to trade. She asked for what, and then I told her GBP-CAD, and actually she lost the trade because of the first entry that I got, which I'm gonna explain to y'all. But hold on, let me change the color on this blue. Wait, no. Let's do green, light green. Yeah, like I was saying, right? She lost the trade based off the entry that we initially got, but then I seen another opportunity, but I wasn't able to send it to her, unfortunately. So I made some money, but she didn't. But basically what I see here is this right here. So I'm not even gonna put no more lines on the chart because I do not want to confuse y'all. However, we are finna fix this because this looked very choppy. All right, so boom. So this is pretty much what I was looking at. You know, when I seen the market, I was like, this could possibly be an entry. I see that the monthly is downtrend, weekly is downtrend, daily is downtrend. 4 hour was just not being created, but this is starting the downtrend right here. So with that being said, once I seen all of this going on, I was like, you know what? This could be an entry right here within this area, because I did see a large sell candle right here. So with trading, when you trying to go in for a buy and you want to get a sniper entry, take the last down candle, and when you're trying to go for a sell, take the last up candle. So since we're going down for a sell, I'm not looking at this black candle. Instead, I'm looking at this yellow candle because that is my up candle. All right. So that was too big, so I went down to the 15, and I'm pretty sure my entry was something like this, if I'm not mistaken, like from here to here, and that's over like 26 pips. So either I took that or I cut it in half. I do not remember, but as y'all can clearly tell, that didn't respect. So instead of me, you know, breaking down the trade that I lost, which like I said, that's pretty much the trade. This was my stop loss, and then this was my entry, and like I said, that obviously got disrespected, so we're not even gonna break that down. However, we're trying to look at this pocket right here, bro. It's crazy because I did not think this was gonna happen. In my head, I was like, it was a possibility, but I didn't think it was gonna happen for real. So I can see we have like a little pocket up here. So this is the stop loss up here. We're gonna make this red. All right, so like I said, right, you know what, let me put these back on the chart so y'all can see. So boom, and then boom. Wait, no, let me change colors. So we're gonna make this green. We're gonna make this orange. We're gonna make this white. All right, so like I said, my entry was something like this. This was my first entry. All right, y'all, this is my first entry. So we can play this. So we're just gonna let this fluctuate until it, you know, it hits our first entry, which is at that orange line. All right. So it's fluctuating. It's fluctuating. We're not gonna do 3. That's too much. Well, no, actually, we're on a 15-minute time frame. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, it just kept on fluctuating. It started moving up slowly. So as y'all can see here, it's making like a channel. Like this is just straight bullish momentum right here. Like from down here to up here. It's making like a parallel channel. some people use their little trading patterns and all that. I don't use that personally. I never really found that useful in my opinion, just because there's so much you have to remember. And me, I forget a lot of stuff, so I never was a fan. But kept on fluctuating, started shooting down. At this point, I'm like, yo, 1 hour time frame, this looked good because it gave me a shot up. It gave me a pullback. So now all it has to do is hit this orange and then shoot down and take off this low right here. Because when it take out this low, that is basically showing a break of structure and it possibly could go down. That's what I was thinking, right? However, boom, entry right here, good old rejection. It shot back up and boom, right? Hit our stop loss for the first trade, so we out of that. So we already negative $34 right here. Wait, no. All right, so we already negative $34, and like I said, right, I forgot what was going on when this happened. I think I was at work actually. If I'm not mistaken, I think I was at work. So shot down, and then it did this. Shot down again. So once I seen this, I'm like, So it shot up, it respected this high, came down, broke structure, shot up again, respected this high, shot down, broke this structure. So at this point, I'm like, yo, this could possibly something. There could be possibly be something right here. So boom, shot down, shot up again. So at this point, I think my entry, let me look at my entry. 738. So 738 was my initial entry, which I think was, around here. So 738, first entry. Let's make that orange. Stop loss was so yeah, stop loss was right here, if I'm not mistaken, which was like 16 pips. Let's make this purple. So, let's make this lighter purple. Yeah, let's make that lighter purple. All right, so I think this shot down a little bit more. Yeah, it shot down more. Okay, so boom. I think this is where I got my entry at. Right around this area. And then I was reaching for these lows down here. And I was reaching for these lows down here. It is a daily. It looked different on FXCM. It looked like a double bottom, and that's why I reached for these lows, because it was a daily double bottom down there. So pretty much something like this. Nah, it could have been this. Was it like smaller? Yeah, I think it was something like this. It's still over here actually, my trade, but since I'm breaking this all over again for y'all, then that's why I look like this. But yeah, it was a 1 to 7. So we can play this. Wait, no, hold on. We on a 4 hour. So yeah, I'm gonna go down to 1 hour to show y'all pretty much where I got my second entry at. So boom, right? Pretty much trade just started fluctuating a little bit more. And at that point, I ain't gonna lie, when this happened, when this first initial push up happened, I was gonna get out at work. But I was like, you know what, Al, you're already negative for the week, not because of you losing trades, but because you was afraid to put in the trade. I didn't put in NZDCHF. That thing tanked. I would have definitely made so much money out of that one, but like I said, I didn't get in. So I was like, you know what, bro, just hold it at this point. Like, you already missed one trade, do not miss another one. As y'all can see, if I would have got out, I would have missed another trade. So boom, like I said, y'all, this happened right here. I did not get in at all, which I should have, but I forgot why I didn't. But yeah, then that push down happened. We continue this. Boom, that happened. And then that broke that low. Right. Oh yeah, I remember this took so long to break that low. But when it did, I was like, you know what, bro? So boom, right? Why does look so much different? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this chart. The people that have Onda, I don't know what's going on because this definitely broke that. I'm gonna show y'all on this one when I get done with this one. But yeah, so pretty much what happened next was this right here shot down. It shot up again. Like I said, this broke this. If I'm not mistaken, this broke it. Then it shot up, and then it shot down. And then when I seen this, I was like, this could possibly respect again and shoot down. So this was the stop loss for this trade. And then my entry was 10. I mean, I had a 10 pip stop loss, so it was like something like this. So boom, 10 pip stop loss to that low. I don't know how that's a 1 to 9. Like I said, this is different from the trade that I took. Boy, it looked different. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, already in the trade, and yeah, man. After that, it just tanked. The news hit around this time right here, and yeah, it just kept going down. And that's pretty much what it looked like right now, y'all. So yeah, that's the GBP-CAD breakdown right there. Once again, this is my initial entries and what it really looked like that I got in. Yeah, like I told you, I had a 16 pip stop loss. Oh, I had an 11 pip TP. I mean SL. Yeah, man. That's pretty. That's pretty much GBP-CAD and how I made $420 from 68. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. Y'all traders, man, y'all keep protecting these markets. Everybody else, y'all stay safe out here. DHS is out.